Well, hello all. About to post another video. Today's video is around another SBE Sidebander 5, which is one of those. So that's the wall of radios that have been repaired personally over the last, over the last 12 months to a year and a half. So I'm taking you off into the radio room. We'll turn on some lights. We'll give you a wide angle. It's an absolute mess. We'll turn on some power. And we'll put the Andrew's radio on the bench, which is this one here. And we'll just start testing it and see where the radio's at. Okay, antenna's plugged in. Yep, we're on the right side. We're on AM, not really hearing anything. So even turning off and turning on, there should be a spike through the speaker. There's nothing. I'm going to plug in an external speaker. Nothing. That's a speaker there. Nothing. Channel 9 works. Alright, so scan's working. Off button's working. RF gain's up full, in the middle, squelch is turned off, and volume's up full, so there's nothing. Alright, does it TX? Well, it does TX. So showing, what is it, 8 watts. It's 5.5 watts on the bird watt meter. It's transmitting on 27062. Let's take it down to channel 1. It should be 26965. TX. Okay, so it's off frequency. Take it to channel 40. Should be 27405. Again, 1.5 kcs off frequency. Let's see, what else will we do? Okay, so so at the moment it appears we've got, we're not on frequency, we've got no RX audio, and other than that, nice and bright display meter. Your display's intact. And yeah, all right. So Andrew, the process here is I will align the frequency first. So I'll open up the covers and start inspecting. I will let this sit for half an hour to warm up to see if that brings the frequency alignment down. I doubt it, but we'll do that. And what I will do after, in around half an hour's time, is I'll put it on frequency. And I'll show YouTube how we do that. And the process will be to start a cap alignment. All right, so I haven't done an SSB test. I'm going to do an SSB test and do a receive audio test on the receive radio here. So let's do a low two-tone. Well, there's nothing. Okay, no power out. Let's swap that to upper sideband. There's nothing. No power out. And now we've got some funny stuff happening on the meter. Alright, let's go to AM. We've turned our receive radio on. It's on high. I'm on AM. There should be a carrier received. And there's absolutely nothing. Alright, so we've got TX problems. TX, RX problems. And what I'll do is open it up, flip it over, put it on frequency and see if that makes a difference. Alright, so we've got the radio covers off. The first thing I notice is we've got the clarifier mod done. So Andrew, you need to let me know if you want me to turn this to standard. Personally, I'm not a fan. Because of what it does to the alignment side. Lots of... I'm just going to be really blunt here. Really poor solder work. Now, also, look at this. Look, it's not even connected. Okay? Not even connected. Solder work. This all needs to be removed. Lots of work. Lots of blobs. Okay. Not a fan. The saviour here, with the exception of these blobs here, the digital display's been left untouched. The oscillator section, it's only been down here, and it appears to be one shorting here. Anyway, some work up here. It's missing a cap on here, a ceramic cap that goes from here to here. Why someone would remove that, I don't know, and that's for the PLL area underneath of that. No, that's not PLL, that's all of the audio TX side of where we'll be replacing all the caps all the way along here and into here. All right, let's flip it over and have a look. Okay, as I thought, because of the slider mod, the way that it's been done, we can't adjust the frequency on AM. Alright, I'm going to wrap this video up and then upload it to YouTube. And Andrew, I need your decision on do we remove the slider on this and make it an absolutely standard radio and then proceed to do all the cap change, and then if that doesn't start getting things right, we start replacing the 2SD187 transistor, which is this one right here, the Sanyo. And then we need to have a look at the HA1339 if the audio is still playing up. And I will need to remove the relay, clean the relay, and inspect the C1969 and just go through it that way. Alright, there we go. Another video on an SBE Sidebander 5. Looking forward to the restoration. Thank you. Oh, remember, comment, like and subscribe, please.